Good morning, Karishma ma'am. Happy morning.
So beautiful morning. Good morning and good morning to all our kids who are who are watching us. And you know what? They are daily excited about their junior session because they daily learn new.
Yes, and what is the today's topic, Karishma ma'am? I am really excited.
Okay, so first tell me which fruit do you like?
Okay, I love watermelon.
Okay, then watermelon. Do you know that watermelon comes from
Market?
market? Okay, but the market vendor grow the watermelon or the farmer grows it?
Ma'am, the farmers grow it, and I know that watermelon cannot grow on a tree because it is very heavy. So it always grow on the ground.
Yes, that means whichever fruit we like, whichever vegetable we eat doesn't come directly. We can buy it from a market, but that farmers grow for us. We have plants on which these fruits grow. So today we will learn how the plants grows और हमारे पास ये fruits कैसे आते हैं.
Oh wow, you mean to say today we are going to talk about plantation?
Yes, हम fruits खा तो लेते हैं but हमको पता नहीं होता कि वो plant grow कैसे होता है. तो आज हम वो learn करेंगे.
Okay, so let us start. How do plants grow? Okay, so almost all plants need the sun to grow.
Okay. Do you know what all essential things are required to grow a plant?
Ma'am, water, sunlight, and air.
Soil on which the plant will be growing.
Yes, the soil, very important. Most plants also need water and good soil. Karishma ma'am, do you know how many types of soils are there?
Not exactly, but I know there are a variety of soil. Black soil, alluvial soil, red
Yes,
soil, and it is found on different
maybe we can.
areas. Some are found in deserts, some we can found in mountains. And do you know more?
Okay, we can study about the soil maybe in next chapter.
Okay, let's see how
Okay,
plants grow first.
plants have many parts that help them get what they need to grow. Oh wow, this is an orange plant.
Yes, I can see so many oranges on it.
Yes, most plants have roots. Oh wow, Karishma ma'am, what is this like a spider's web?
मैम these are roots और plant जब grow होता है तो वो सॉइल में से निकलता है वो लैंड के नीचे से निकलता है और जब वो लैंड के सबसे नीचे वाला जो प्लांट का पार्ट होता है उसे रूट्स कहते हैं.
Okay, most plants have stems. Oh wow, what are stems, Karishma ma'am?
मैम रूट से तो प्लांट निकलता है उसके बाद जब प्लांट्स के पार्ट्स निकलते हैं उसमें स्टेम्स होते हैं.
Okay.
Like we can see a leaf, we can see a flower, and there are different variety of plants. किसी में flowers आते हैं, किसी में fruits आते हैं, किसी में vegetables आते हैं, या फिर कुछ ऐसे plants भी होते हैं like neem plant. Have you seen neem?
Yes, I have seen a neem plant in Central Park.
Yes, we have a tulsi plant at our home. तो कईयों में जरूरी नहीं है fruits और vegetables आए. We can have only leaf or and some plants are very necessary to keep at home. Do you know Akshara ma'am?
Oh. Yes, I know my mama, she keeps tulsi plant and one more, that is money plant. So we have two plants in our house.
I have four. Tulsi, I have neem at my home, I have aloe vera plant at my home, and I have money plant at home. I have four plants. My mama says
Okay.
plants are very good to keep at home.
You know, Karishma ma'am, in my house, I have two balconies, so we have only two plants. But in the porch down the area where I have the parking, there I have so many plants. So there we have a banana tree, there we have a show tree, and many other trees and plants also.
Yes, ma'am, we need to care of the plants also.
Okay, roots and stems carry water from the soil to the plant. Oh wow, carrots are roots.
Because they grow under the soil.
Okay, most plants have leaves. Yes, you know, Karishma ma'am, I like leaves because I can do craft activities with the help of leaves.
Oh, wow, that's very nice. And you know, अभी मैम ने बताया कि we have tulsi and neem. So in that plants only leaves are there. No flowers, no fruits, no vegetables are there.
Yes, leaves collect sunlight. Oh wow, this plant looks so beautiful. And I think the flower is coming from the leaves. Plants
Yes.
use the food they make to live and grow. Oh yes, Karishma ma'am, we get so many fruits and vegetables with the help of plants. So they grow food for us to live. Okay, so we have few questions. Can you name the parts of a plant?
Yes. Roots, stems,
Yes,
leaves,
yes,
and if the plant have flowers, then flower is also a part.
yes.
So I know
As
these
well
four parts.
as fruit. The fruit comes on the trees on plants only. So we know five
Yes.
parts of plants. What do the parts do? They help to grow the plants. And Karishma ma'am, you know also the plants, the part of plants, they provide water to other parts. The root and the stem, they provide water to the other parts of plants. Okay. How is the sun important to plants? Do you know, Karishma ma'am?
How is the sun important to plants? Yes, ma'am. In daytime, you know what? My mama opens the shade of by all the plants and let the sunlight goes to them. And in the evening, she used to
Okay.
provide the shade. And I asked my mama
Okay.
why she do this. So she said that sunlight is very important. Like food is important for us to grow. Sunlight is an
Yes.
essential thing for the plant.
Okay. So, what new words today we have learned are first of all the leaves. And what are leaves? The plant part that is usually green and flat. Leaves are attached to the stem. Okay. What is the other part, Karishma ma'am?
Roots, the plant part that gets water and nutrients from the soil for the whole plant to use. As I said, roots grow under the soil.
Yes. Then we have soil. Soil is the dirt in which a plant grows. Plants get water and nutrients from the soil.
Okay, next is stem. The stem supports the plant and carry water to the leaves from the roots. जैसे रूट सॉइल के अंडर होता है उसके ऊपर जब प्लांट ग्रो होता है तो वी हैव स्टेम्स. So what does the root does? Root takes the water to the stem which help the plant to grow.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay, let us see the next one. That is stem. Okay, the sunlight.
Sunlight.
Plants use the sun's energy in the form of sunlight to make their own food. Oh wow.
और मैम आपको पता है इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं?
No, we will tell them with the help of a video, Karishma ma'am.
Okay. Next is water. Water is the colorless liquid that falls as the rain. Plants cannot live without water. Not only the plants, even the human beings cannot live without the water, ma'am.
Yes, you are absolutely right. So here we complete the book and let's start the quiz.
Okay, it's time for the quiz.
Okay, let us see what questions do we have. Plants need dash dash and dash. Sun, water
Oh,
and soil. Sun, leaves and stem. Sun, roots and stem. I think first one.
sun, water, soil. Yes.
Okay, we are right. Parts of a plant include dash and dash. Roots and stem, sunlight, soil carrots, and sun and soil. I think the
Root
first
stem.
one.
Yes, they are
Yes,
the
you are
parts of the
right.
plant.
Roots and stems carry from the dash from the soil to the plant. Oh, I know the answer. It's water. जो roots होते
Correct.
हैं वो बाकी सारे plants तक बाकी सारे parts of plants तक water provide करती है. Okay. Leaves collect dash. What is that?
Leaves collect sunlight.
Yes, for a special process of making food. Sunlight,
Yes.
air, and water becomes dash. I think food.
Food. Yes. You're right.
Oh wow, we got 5 out of 5.
So we got to
Okay.
know so
So
many
what?
things.
Yes, today we learned parts of plants. I think we should watch a video so that our kids understand better. What do you say, Karishma ma'am?
Sure, ma'am. When they know that how many parts of the plant we have, how the plant grow, and who takes the water from the roots to the stems, and there are many variety of plants. Some are leaves, some have flowers, some have fruits. So they should know how these grow. So let's have a video and watch how the plant grows from a root to a big tree.
Okay, so here we go and watch this video.
Oh no! Does that mean we are going to remain like this forever? Till you eat giant berries, which will bring you back to your original size. Giant berries? Where do we get giant berries? There is one giant berry plant further ahead. Let us go then. We need to move fast. Jump! Jump! What? I said jump. That's the way to the giant berry plant.
Uh-oh.
Have we landed on a leaf?
They fall down.
Yes, it is a plant. I can see it has all the basic parts of a plant. Basic parts? What are you talking, Dhruv? Okay, wait. I'll explain. Each plant is made up of 6 basic parts: roots, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds. Right now,
See,
we are
ma'am,
sitting
they are
on the
talking
leaf.
about the
Plants
parts which we have studied in the
they are
epic.
mostly green in color.
Yes, we have just revised that how many parts of plants are there? There are 6.
5. Okay, 6.
Ma'am, they have told one more. Let us revise. सबसे पहले seed, then
Okay. Roots,
stem,
stem,
then
leaves,
flowers,
and then fruits.
Yes. So let us see what does the Dhruv star wants to tell us.
Color. Although some plants may have yellow or red leaves as well. Leaves can be of different shapes and sizes too.
Oh, again